Playtime with Geeta.
The Secret Lives of Two Googly-Eyed Cats, written by Henrietta Mackenzie. Millie and Tilly are googly-eyed cats who belong to a cheeky little baby called Penny. During the day, they sit on her mat playing games and acting like normal toys. During the night, when Penny is asleep, they creep out the back door in search of fun and adventure, ransacking bins, scrapping with other cats, and generally causing mischief. At the end of the night, they sneak back inside and wipe their paws clean so Penny doesn't know that they've been out all night. However, one day in winter, heavy snow falls. The cats decide to be brave and sneak out. But the snow is too deep for their little paws and they get stuck. What will they do? How will they escape? Let's find out. For Penny. Thank you to my mom, dad and brother, Isabel, John and William Mackenzie, and Penny's godmother, Sam Moore. Millie and Tilly are googly-eyed cats. They belong to Penny and live on her mat. During the day, they act like toys, meowing about with gusto and poise. But during the night, they like to sneak out for fun and games while no one's about. Ransacking bins and scrapping with cats, their naughty antics are far from the mat, burgling houses and stealing their meat, from fish to chicken, such a feast to eat. At the end of the night, they wipe their paws clean so Penny won't know where on earth they've been. They creep back inside and onto the mat, ready for a game of this and that. When Penny wakes up, she's ready to play, grabbing her cat without delay. She has no idea that during the night, Millie and Tilly sneak out to fight, living in secret, such cunning cats, pretending to stay at home on her mat. One day in winter, heavy snow falls. Penny stays in, crawling the walls. She chews Millie's tail and bites her paw. The cats aren't amused and pray for a thaw. The thick snow creates a big wall of white, making it hard to creep out at night. But Millie and Tilly want to explore. They wait till it's dark, then sneak out the door. The snow is deep and so very cold. Suddenly, they don't feel quite so bold. Their little tails freeze and their paws get stuck. The googly-eyed cats are fresh out of luck, stuck in the garden, trapped in the snow. How will they escape from such a woe? They wriggle and jiggle and meow in vain, but no one can hear the cats in their pain. Out of the blue, they hear a loud bark. Ruff, ruff. The dog from next door appears from the dark. He looks like a monster with large brown eyes, eyeing the cats like a lion with his prize. He circles the garden ready to slay, like a predator in wait, stalking its prey. The cats are scared and fear the worst, but instead he rescues them. This is a first. He carefully carries them back to the door, so they creep inside and dry off a paw. Cats, he growls, The snow is too deep. Ruff, ruff. It's far too dangerous for your little feet. Ruff. Before they could thank him, the dog takes flight. They are safe at last. What a terrible night. They tiptoe inside and onto the mat, ready for a game of this and that. When Penny wakes up, she doesn't know that Millie and Tilly were stuck in the snow. She claps her hands and stomps her feet, dancing around in time to a beat. The thick snow stays for another whole day. But the cats know now never to stray. They stay firmly put on Penny's mat, playing indoors like well-behaved cats. And every time the snow comes down, they now think twice about sneaking around. Even though it's fun out at night, the thought of getting stuck gives them a fright. Oh. They peek outside but stay on the mat, playing a game of this and that. I hope you enjoyed this book, because I did. Don't forget, be good for Mommy and Daddy. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Gita. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures that are work of art, and some books that make you very smart. With words that bounce up off the page, they are good for children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C, and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Gita read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone, and maybe one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good for Mommy and Daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, but only for a short while. Bye.